Okay, so I'm actually going to show you how to make a boatload of scrambled eggs at one time. This is a whole stick of butter that I have melted. This is, I believe, 18 eggs. So let's see what happens. So in the eggs, I went ahead and added salt to season them. I have it on medium-high heat right now. And even though I'm using butter, I went ahead and, even though I have a nonstick pan, I still sprayed it lightly with canola oil because we all know how eggs can do. I do not rush my eggs when I'm cooking them. Sometimes that's the problem. People don't have patience when they're cooking, and you can have mishaps that way. I don't rush them. I let them cook on their own at their own speed pretty much. But like I said, I do have it, because I have such a large quantity of eggs in here, I do have it on medium high heat. As it starts to cook, I will probably reduce that down. If it starts to stick, I definitely will, but hopefully that won't happen. So it's cooking pretty good right now. I think I probably will have to turn it down some. But yeah, see how just allow them to cook on their own. And then I just basically scrape across the bottom of the pan and pull up the eggs as they get done. We're actually cooking pretty good. I went ahead and turned it down, turned my heat down a bit to medium. So we're starting to almost stick a little bit, but hopefully with the amount of fat that we have in here, it'll just start to release. But yeah, see how, and they're going to be perfectly fluffy eggs. I did not add any milk. I did not add any cream. I don't know if some people add, I don't know, water. I don't add anything to my eggs other than salt. And some people like a softer egg, a softer scrambled egg. I personally do not. I like my eggs well done and firm. Yeah, I just can't quite get into that, into the whole wet egg thing. So as our eggs finish up, I went ahead and took out the brown sugar maple turkey bacon. And it is out of the oven. So let's just see how crispy it is. Yeah, it looks pretty good. All right, let's finish these up. And I think you can see how fluffy they are. I scramble my eggs so that the white and the yellow is combined and not separate. I don't know if that's really showing here, but yeah. These are Elle's famous scrambled eggs. My family loves these. They always wanted to make these. So we're having breakfast for dinner.